Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about ShopMocker.com reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and it is an online shopping site which is based in United States that deals with theme-based masks including ledger mask, American bulldog mask, male and female face mask, etc. You can take a look. The prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's talk about the payment information of this site. So guys, for payment information you need to visit the payment information section, but they have not provided any payment info section. And at the bottom of the web page you can see, guys, the modes of payment available on the site are MX, Apple Pay, GPay, JCB, Mastercard, PayPal, Visa, etc. So these are the payment methods that you can opt for making payments. Now let's check out the shipping policy. So guys, for that you need to visit the FAQ section, and here is the FAQ section. Now this is the shipping information, and they have mentioned that approximately 2 weeks from the day you place the order, but in some cases it can take as long as 3 weeks. So this was about the delivery information, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about the important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, talking about the HTTPS connection, this website is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. Talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 12th of July 2020. So guys, this is an old website that defines its legitimacy, but let's check out the other information including about us page. So this is the about us section. Here they have mentioned the information related to business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is a good sign, guys. Now talking about contact details, let's check out the contact us page. So they have provided an email address which is contact@shopmocker.com, but guys, they have not provided company's official address and contact number, which is a negative sign. However, the email which is given on this page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. Now talking about the social media presence, so guys, you can see the site has strong social media presence on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. They have created their social media accounts on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. People are appraising the quality of these theme-based masks. And let's check out the return policy of this website. So guys, you can see they have mentioned that due to the personalized nature of this product, they can't accept returns or issue refunds. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding the refund or return if you have. And talking about the ShopMocker.com reviews, guys, we have found positive reviews on the official website, but we didn't find any customer review on internet as the site has an unknown trustworthiness score. Here is the review section, guys. You can see one of the customers wrote, "I love my mocha mask. People comment and ask for the website often. Great product." Another customer said, "Wearing my mocha mask is probably the most fun I have had in all of 2020. Amazing reactions for people when I'm out on public. Thanks." So guys, most of the customers are praising the quality of this mask and people are enjoying the fun-loving theme-based mask performance. So this is a positive sign here, but I would like to inform you that the trust index score of this site is 1%, which is really very bad. So guys, in the final conclusion, the site appears to be legit, but we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website before exploring the website at the best level. So we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. And yes, I request you all to share your experience with your mask as well, and if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting, guys. Hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.